Hello and welcome. I'm Karina Godwin and I want to talk to you about our Restore Me retreat. It's a retreat that gets me really excited, yet it's funny because the Restore Me retreat is about such peace and tranquility. It's about recapturing your enthusiasm, your spontaneity, all the things that make you essentially you. But what is that special little thing? Because it kind of defies words to capture it and understand. I think the easiest way is to look at children. That energy that they have, the spontaneity, the joyful enthusiasm, that magic that just makes you want to stare at them forever. A baby carries their essence in its most pure form, and as they grow, they create such incredible energy about them, and it's inspiring. And somewhere along the way, we kind of get blown around by the winds of life and we forget ourselves. We forget that connection, or stuff happens that just takes us apart. And this Restore Me retreat is literally about restoring you to the brilliance that is you, that incredible energy, that incredible space where you are naturally spontaneous, you're intuitive, you have that essence of you that draws people to you, that brings in health and well-being. And that's my area of expertise, well-being, living your very best life, waking up in the morning with joy and anticipation for what you have in front of you, not being tired and worn out and not having what you need to be growing and creating an extraordinary experience each and every day. So we are going to jump on the bus on day 4 and we are going to head to the incredible healing energies and waters of Byron Bay and its surrounds. You are going to have the opportunity to experience that real reconnection, that restoring you to the essence that is you. And then you're going to have opportunity. I don't want to give too much away because it's going to be extraordinary, but we're going to be there for the whole day, eating incredible food, doing incredible things, and there'll be choice for you as well. This is an experience not to be missed. You need to be there. You need this in your life where you're the one waking up, having the most amazing life, where everybody else is looking at you for inspiration of how they want to live. That's what Restore Me is all about, and I want it to be you. So join me on this incredible experience of the Restore Me retreat. I know you'll love it.